How to check Snapchat followers. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now, head over to your profile. Click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Once you're on this page, over here you're going to find different option. Click on the option of public profile. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Head over to the section of insights. And here you're going to find all the details of your stories and the post, snap views, viewers, total view time, likewise your profile overall summary, engage story audience, women and men, or to even find the option to check your specific Snapchat followers. Instead, what you can do is head back. Once you're on your profile page, scrolling down, you'll find the section of my friends. Click on that. Here you're going to find your friend list. Your friends are also your followers. Likewise, you can head back, go to the conversation page, go to the chat list, then click on this add friends icon. Click on three dots given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option and ignore from added me. So in this page as well, you're going to find the followers. So these are the list of the people whom you have deleted. So using these tricks, you can check your Snapchat followers. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.